Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of January 2021. We will see what kind of energies are you getting from the universe, what is it that you're expecting, and you can expect from your financial area and your relationship area also. So let's get ahead. We will start with your first card, which is your theme of the month card. And before we go ahead, I'd like to share my contact numbers with you. So the number you can reach out to me is 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Let's get ahead and see what energies are we getting for you. The first card is a very beautiful card. I'm sure you all will like it, Pisces. And the second card is also very nice. I will elaborate everything for you, and I will see what energies I read for you in this month. And let's get ahead. Okay. So, very first thing is about music. I think the music fairy wants to tell you that issues what you're facing in life, the solution of those issues lies in music. So maybe if you're feeling stressed and you're feeling good about anything, then I think if you listen to the right kind of a music and you go for a music therapy, that will bring a lot of happiness in your life and also peace in your life. So that's something I really see in your card and looks very evident. I'm sorry, I've got a bad throat today and cold, a bit of cold. So, just bear with me. The very first week for you for the month of January 2021 is something which talks about overpowering something which was bothering you for a long time. Maybe something had become a reason for your disappointment. Someone was or something was disappointing you. But if you move ahead in life and you go ahead, January 2021 is actually give you that energy or that that power that you will be able to overpower your enemies and you will win over them. So the first week is very important for you. It will give you a lot of power. It will give you a lot of achievements. It will give you that energy that people who used to criticize you and thought that you can't do something, a particular thing, those people are going to be like around you and appreciating you in this month of January 2021. First week itself is quite a positive week. Second week is something which talks about, for few of the Pisces, I think, introvertedness and something which is to do with the disappointment because of some one person in your life. So maybe you're dealing with multiple people in life, and out of that there's one person who's ditching you, and that brings you low in life. So you get a little disappointed. You feel like that you're losing something or you have lost something. But trust me, you have not lost it all. You still have hope in you, and you still have hope there in your life. Certainly. That is going to do something with your finances. So I think the letdown thing which is happening has to do something to do with your finances. Maybe someone is putting you down. Someone is trying to, I will not say rob your money, but then cheat you when it comes to, managing your money finances. That's another thing which is important here, Pisces. Third week is something which is to talk about your health, your responsibilities, and a lot of people will actually be burdened with financial responsibilities because you will be someone who will be fulfilling the needs of multiple people. So you are the one who's fulfilling need of multiple people here. You are the one who's fulfilling the responsibility. You are the responsible person to fulfill the needs of a lot of people in life. So third week is going to be a little bit I will say a little bit full of burden in month of January, and those responsibilities are something, it is not putting you down. It is not like that you will not be able to carry them well. You will certainly be able to carry them very, very well, but then the only challenge will be that you will be a little tired. You will be exhausted. That's another thing which is important here. And you need to please understand that finances are something which is to be taken care of really very well, because the second week and the third week both have a Pentacles card, and it is talking about saving money. And while you're trying to save money, you will have multiple people coming to you and asking for money. So that can be a point of worry, but then it is in your hands. You want to release that money for other people. You want to save that, secure that for your own betterment or your own life. So that I leave it up to you. Okay, but then certainly there are people approaching you financial matters. There are people who are approaching you for financial help. Again, Pisces, up to you. How do you want to really deal with that energy, Pisces? Last week is going to give you a very important lesson which says that what's gone is gone. What you have in hand is important. Okay, So focus on your present rather than crying over your past, that what you could not do or you can do. That's something which is very important for you to know, because crying over something which was in past or which you really could not get, that's something which is going to bring problems in your life. Okay, so let go of past and release your energies of past, toxic energies of past, and then move ahead in your future. That's very important, because universe itself is giving you a chance to reinvent yourself, giving yourself a new energy, new personality. That's something which is again very very important energy here, Pisces. So please take care of yourself, and then take care of your family around you, and respect their emotions, respect people who are there around you. Universe is resetting you. Universe is giving you opportunities to actually give a new life to yourself, live a new personality altogether in the month of January. So January is going to give you, going to make you meet up with people who need financial help, but then it is up to you. You need to be saving your money. That's also again an important message. First week is very very good week for you, so make most out of that. That's also important. I'm taking a love message for you. It says you are being watched by loving eyes. So it's not like the efforts what you had put into your relationship that has gone in vain. No, it is not like that. The efforts what you had put into life or you put into your relationship has not gone into vain. It is going to be, it is a effort which is going to pay you back. So please wait for the right time that your loved one will identify your true traits, and then they will identify your feelings, and then you will feel like a great person and good person altogether, and you will see that your value has been identified and valued also very very well. Efforts have been valued very well, Pisces. I'm taking in another card from your reading, which is your angel card. The cards are a bit sticky today, but then still we're trying to take a message from your angels for your cards, and here it is. You are a light worker who has come to earth to teach others about love. Now, Pisces is an energy, a sign which is full of emotions. The symbol of this sign is fish. Fish lives in water, and water represents our emotions. So, emotional love is something which is like your nature, true nature, a natural thing which comes to you, and it is going to give you immense, opportunities to help others. Like in the third week, people are approaching you for help. They might approach you for emotional advice also, Pisces. You are going to be acting like the teacher, the helper in the month of January. It is going to be a wonderful month. Enjoy it to the most. Few responsibilities are there in your hand, but the good part is that you will be able to carry them out really very well. That's my perspective to the reading. Take care of yourself. Happy New Year. Enjoy your life to the most, and make most out of your life. That's what my suggestion is. So please take care. God bless you, and have fun in life. Bye bye.